Good morning, children. Now this is 7th class social studies, 5th lesson, Europe. In the previous lesson also I said about Europe. Okay, now I want to say what are the remaining lesson in this. First one here about seasons. So we know in our country how many seasons are there? We have 3 seasons. What are the seasons? Summer season, rainy season, winter season. What are that? Summer, rainy, winter. 3 seasons are there. But in European countries, we observe here 4 seasons. What are the seasons? Here, winter season, spring season, summer season, autumn season. Okay, so these are the 4 seasons following or having European countries. Now, children, what about winter season? So, what months are winter seasons in European countries? Here, November to December, they are very cold, cold or winter season. So here, snow always falling. That is why almost all the water bodies upon the land. Okay, what is the area covered by thick snow? Next one, what is the daytime of European countries? So the daytime is the sun rises at 10 o'clock, sun sets at 4 o'clock. That means here the daytime is so this is in winter season. That means very short. Okay. Trees also they are began to shed their leaves. That means when we see the trees they are leavesless. Okay. So that is happening in winter season. It is some areas of European countries we can experience or they can experience bitter cold. That is observing in this area. Why? Because if you carefully observe upon the globe, the European countries, that countries are far from the sun rays because their latitude extended latitude extent is different. Okay, that was the main reason. Next one here, what about the next season, spring season? So here, spring season, day time is very long, night time is very short. Daytime long, night time short. But in our areas, we have 12 hours daytime, 12 hours night time. Okay, 12 hours. Okay, but in summer season, we have more 1 hour at daytime. Okay, at winter season we have one more at night time. So that is happening in our country. But in European countries, the spring season is different. That is, days are long, but nights are very short. Snow gradually melting. So when the snow is melting, the area became or appear like a green or lush green grass. Okay, even the trees also giving sprouts. Okay, so that is the condition occurring in European countries. Starting ploughing, the people starting ploughing. That means they are ready to cultivate their lands. They are preparing that land and starting cultivation. They are sowing seeds, etc. are happening. So sowing seeds, what kind of crops are growing there? For example, in our country, what kind of crops are growing in our country? Wheat, paddy, sugar cane, red gram, green gram, chili. Okay, many kinds of crops are growing in our country. Likewise, in European countries also they are growing some important crops because that crops are suitable for that atmosphere. That atmosphere is suitable for that kind of crops. Okay, so wheat, rye, barley, corn, sugar, oats. So these are the main crops growing in European countries. Okay, next one, next season is summer season. So students, we know what is the summer season of our country. Okay children, now look at here, what are the months of our summer? For example, May month is the summer month. So that's why the government also declaring holidays to you. Okay, because at that summer season that means May month in our country recording high temperature. That's why children are unable to go out to. Okay, so that is the summer season of our country. But what the season or what are the months of summer in European countries? Here, European countries summer starts June to August. Okay, June to August. These are the months of summer in European countries. So daytime is very long. Okay, but the rain is not. It is not raining. Daytime is very long. It is not raining. Actually, in our country, we are experiencing raining in rainy season. Okay, but here summer is very suitable for them. Okay, because the daytime is long. How much long here? 4 to 8. That means 16 hours daytime. It's a long hours. That means, for example, in our country, sun rising time is 6 a.m. Sunset time is 6 p.m. But here the sun rising time is 4 a.m. Sunset time is 8 p.m. That means 16 long hours are there. But in Sweden it is very difficult situation occurring. Because not sunset. In Sweden we cannot see the sunset experiencing, especially in summer season. That means why it is happening? So the Sweden is so far from the sun rays. So that are the main that is the main important reason. If you see the globe, then you can find the Arctic Circle, near Arctic Circle, 3 countries: Norway, Sweden, Finland, etc. Okay, so that is the main reason. Next one, land of midnight sun. It is also called land of midnight sun. What's that place? Norway, Sweden, these places. Okay, because the land is or the sky is seems to be meet at earth is meet at meet sky that is appearing when you see the sky in Sweden and also Norway regions. Crops are ready to harvest in this area when summer season. So they are ready to cut their harvesting crops for making jams, juice, wine, etc. Okay, I said already in this area citrus fruits are growing. What are the citrus fruits? I said in the previous class, orange, grape, olive. Okay, so these kind of crops are growing in that area. Especially we have 2 crop seasons or 3 crop seasons. What are the 3 crop seasons in our India? Kharif season, Rabi season and Zaid season. So these are the 3 crops here. Okay, so in India, Kharif season, Rabi season. In Kharif season, we are growing paddy. Paddy is the important and stable crop of our country. Next, in winter season, we are growing Rabi. Okay, especially we can find these Rabi, wheat crops in Rabi season in North India. Okay, but now here in our country, the crop duration is 8 months to 10 months. So that is the crop duration in our country. But in Europe, that position is different. So the crop season is, or the duration of the crop, 6 months or to 7 months. That means a little duration of that crops. Next season is autumn season. So which months the autumn season comes in European countries? From September to October. So these are the autumn season. Okay, leaves became yellowish color and they began to shed their leaves. Next, agriculture activities also almost finished by the farmers. So next one, these agriculture activities for production of wine, jam, etc. They are cutting their crops. That means it is the harvest time. So autumn season is the harvest time of the European people. Okay. Next, land. Actually, how much percentage of land is suitable for agriculture in European countries? I said what are the European countries? I said what are the Asian countries? For example, Asian countries, India, China, Sri Lanka, okay, Japan. Okay, so these are Indonesia, these are the Asian countries. what are the European countries? Portugal, Spain, France, Germany, Norway, Sweden, Finland, okay, Greece, Italy. So these are the European countries. Okay. Now, how much percentage agricultural land is there in European countries? For example, here right I wrote to you the shortable land are actually that land is fertile land, but for agriculture the land is suitable only 3% in Norway. Okay, how much percent? 3% land is suitable for agriculture in Norway. England 30% land is suitable for agriculture. Germany 40% of land is suitable for agriculture. Holland situation is very different. Okay, that's why they constructed embankments. Okay, కరకట్ట అనేది కట్టి వాటర్ అనేది రాకుండా ఆపేసేసి ఆ ఉన్నటువంటి ఒక్కదాన్ని వాళ్ళు వ్యవసాయం ఆ కొద్దిదాన్ని వ్యవసాయం చేయడానికి ఉపయోగిస్తారు. దాన్ని డైకన్స్ అంటారు ఆ ఏరియాని. పోల్డర్, దట్ ఏరియా ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ పోల్డర్. వాట్ దట్ ఏరియా? పోల్డర్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, what are the main crops? I said what are the main crops in India? In India, Kharif season we are growing paddy, that means worry. Rabi season we are growing what's that? Wheat. So here they are growing the most stable crop is wheat. What's that? Wheat. So the wheat is growing in different countries. For example, what are the Mediterranean surrounding areas or Mediterranean countries? Okay, France, Germany, Russia, Poland, Italy. So in these areas they are growing wheat. Okay. Next, wine also a very important product around Mediterranean Sea, or that means Mediterranean nearest countries. What are the nearest countries of Mediterranean Sea? Italy, okay, Switzerland, Spain, Austria, Serbia, Greece. So these are the nearest countries of Mediterranean Sea. Even in Mediterranean Sea also some islands are there. Corsica, Cyprus, Crete. Okay, they are the islands. Okay, in these areas they are growing wine. Wine means grapes. Grapes are growing in this area. Children, in this Africa continent, I said about seasons. What are the seasons? 4 seasons. Okay, in our country 3 seasons, but in Europa continent 4 seasons are said. I said the 4 seasons. What are that one? Here I wrote already: winter, spring, summer, autumn. So children, that is about. I want to show you some pictures concerning this lesson. Once you look at the 4 seasons, look children, first picture is winter. So how the snow is covered over the trees and over the land. Next one is spring season. Look how greenish. So this is the summer. Summer is very important season of European countries. Next one, autumn season. Now look at how the trees shed their leaves. Okay, they shed their leaves, etc. Now children, look one here. They are cutting the grass, hay bales after the harvest, which will be stored as fodder for winter. That means పశువులకు మేతగా వాళ్ళు గడ్డిని కోసి ఇలా బండిల్స్గా తయారు చేసి వింటర్లో స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటారు. ఓకే, సో ఓకే children, I shall teach you the remaining class in the next lesson, next period. Thank you.